cutting through bridges as though they were paper.
Trees in the way.
Waterloo Bridge. Stampede. Without order and without a go. 6 million people are cutting down one of the tripod figures. Instantly, the others raised their heat rays and melted the Thunder Child's valiant heart.
Well, Tansy and myself are miles away from anywhere, in the middle of the China clay tips. You can see these huge mounds and distant lights of factories. Apart from that, it's pretty damn dark.
Are we allowed in here?
No, of course not.
This is where the fry's into. Maybe we should go around.
You ready? You will land on us, won't it?
Yeah.
Nothing like an illegal fireworks display. 3. This one's serious. It's not exactly the most exciting fireworks display though, is it?
It's quite nice, honestly.
Is it? So the moment we start filming, it goes away.